Aloha, my name is George Honzaki and I'm the middle school principal here at Hawaii Baptist Academy. The high school principal and I would love to share with your ohana a preview of our upper campuses here in beautiful Nu'uanu Valley, starting with our middle school, which serves students in grades 7 and 8. While HBA is known for our college prep curriculum, we aim to foster an environment where mistakes are part of the learning process. It's okay and good for students to ask questions, to explore, and just be a kid. We also have a rich student life with lunchtime activities, camps, and more. Between our elementary, middle, and high school campuses, we serve more than 1,000 students. We like to say that HBA is just the right size. It's big enough where there are sports, clubs, and many opportunities, but also small enough where your child will be known, engaged, and feel at home. While our teachers care deeply about the academic growth and success of their students, they also care about who their students are and equip students with lessons that will prepare them for life.
Actually, I have a growth mindset wall that I have, and I did an entire hour lesson in my classroom just based on how to have a growth mindset, the difference between a fixed and a growth mindset. I can do this. It's through Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through him. And so we have scripture. I had scripture that backs all of those statements up. And so just really instilling in them, not just to have a positive mindset, but to actually have a biblical mindset that they can not only achieve in a math classroom, but they can achieve in anything in their life with God on their side.
Well, Christian Ministries here at HBA, we want every child to know that they are loved by God. Right now, we're talking about who you really are in God's eyes. So everything that we do in Christian Ministries is going to lead the kids to who Christ is and what He's done for us.
Welcome to HBA. I'm Elton Kinoshita. I'm the high school principal. While our students begin their HBA journey at different grade levels, it gives me great satisfaction in seeing them discover and develop their passions and gifts here on the high school campus. Our students can participate in any of more than 45 sports teams, challenge themselves in our 20 AP courses, serve our community through service organizations, and create lifelong bonds in our numerous school clubs.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a senior, and over the years I've had many opportunities to be involved in clubs and sports. Right now I'm in class council and I am also on the paddling team. Welcome to HBA!
Hello, my name is Azure. I'm in AP Literature and AP Economics. I'm involved in a campus ministry Bible study and I do volleyball. Welcome to HBA.
Hi, I'm Tris and I'm involved in Surf Rider, class council, and basketball. Welcome to HBA!
What I also love about our high school campus is the deeper learning opportunities we offer our students, whether it's in the science labs, field trips, hands-on projects, or on the volleyball court.
So it's all of us. We just have our biology teachers, our physics teachers, all of us across the board. We're just really, really passionate about what we teach, and I think that passion and that excitement and that energy about learning science, discovering new things, really gets translated to the kids. I think it's contagious because we love what we do truly. I think that helps the students love the learning process much more.
I hope you've enjoyed seeing this window into our upper campuses. We really hope that we can connect again at one of our open houses or by setting an appointment with one of our admissions directors. Come, see how HBA is leading to serve. We look forward to serving you. Mahalo.